at there. Now that's a cutting board. It's a cutting board that's inside the sink. It's got things. What am I doing? Got things on the bottom there. That will keep it in the sink. But now we're going to see if I can't do this one-handed. But as you can tell, let's just do this. See, we got a couple of those things that those are poles. So that's a 5/8 lag bolt in there, and that's conduit, 1/2-inch conduit. So that's what holds this whole thing on. This hole there, this hole, yeah. Now you drop that down through the hole, and this acts as like a huge nut. Anyway, so you come down here and boom. I shouldn't. So those things go in there. Hopefully, those things go in there, and then I'm doing that one-handed. But then it drops down inside there and makes for a really. It's a desk here. You can have it for a desk. You can have it for to eat on. Okay, so under here was always just, and I've cleaned it up now, it was pretty nasty looking, but under here just used to be pots and pans just thrown in there, and that's it. But now you see the deals, and I think, did we show you this? No. And the drawer. So yeah, we built a drawer under there. And I'll show you how that's going to turn out here in just a second. Okay, so going by what we got, this is what goes in the bottom of the drawers on toolboxes. It's much thicker. It's 1/8 of an inch thick, much thicker than the normal stuff that goes in the drawers. Now below this is where I'm going to store the induction oven, or induction stove. And so it's right at the bottom. So if I hit a bump, it would jump up, hit the bottom of this. So since this is nice and padded, I'm gonna cut out a piece and I'm gonna put it on the bottom of this. So when that thing, because it will, jumps up, it will hit the bottom of it. And that'll be padded. So yeah. There we go. Got it coming out with here and here. You can always put a cap on there, but I like that storage space. Under here, again, is my induction plate. And it was made, that's what that place was for. Especially for that. Maybe some cooking sheets, maybe, I don't know. Not a bad place. The bottom's going to be insulated. Going to put another thing of foam core on the bottom of there for it to ride on that. But yeah, I don't know. I don't want a door down there, and I got to figure out, what kind of, maybe some sheathing. I don't know, something, some brush. Anyway, but that's how it's going to work. And it's very, very tight. So yeah, it's hard to get out, but I'm not gonna have work it. Wasn't quite that tight last time, but anyway, I got it tight for that purpose. So I don't have a bunch of pots and pans flying all over everything, and I don't have to put any extra hardware on it. Right? All right. The next thing I got coming up is probably, I'm not even gonna say because usually it doesn't work out, but a little quarter wall over here to separate the bedroom from the kitchen. All right. Okay, I'm gonna start on this little quarter wall now, So I'm sure I showed it. I got a video back there, but it's got trim all the way around it. So I got to take a piece of trim off. And I want this wall to come up like so much in here. It's not to go all the way up or anything. It's just, my bedspread and my comforter and stuff is just spilling over on into the kitchen. And this needs to be kitchen. I mean, just the way it needs to be. And so we're going to take this off and we're going to put this wall up about right here. All it does, so it'll just keep all this here in here and not over there, right in the middle of eggs and stuff. Got to push it off so I can put some eggs down. No. So we're going to go with this. I'm going to start taking this off now. Again, I'm not going to bore you with that. So I'll be back in a little bit when I get a piece of wood done and cut and what I'm going to do, okay? As you can see now, no more bedding on the kitchen counter. So yeah, it's all good. And if you notice, I kept with the theme of the butcher block. This butcher block just kind of sits here. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it here. I know I'm not gonna keep it here. I may keep it in the drawer I may keep it in the drawer downstairs. But as far as here, it won't go here. Okay, let me show you one thing real quick before we go on. You see the wires have been covered up and it's just material. Some blue fabric, I could put some thumbtacks in it. And yeah, so that's, this is gonna be covered right here by a heat shield and stuff anyway. So, see that goes into there. I guess we can get a little bit into there, yeah. So all the wires have been covered now, and I did have plates for that, but I decided not to go with plates. Just too much to go in and out, and if I needed to get into it, it was just whatever. So yeah, that's what I did. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap this one up. Got a lot more to do. Got some more installation and stuff to show, which I will show. I'll put it on in another video. And I know I'm getting blown out right now. It's not because of my lights, it's because of the sun coming through that door, and I even got one window panel blocked off. So, but anyway, I want to say thank you. I appreciate you. We're gonna wrap it up, and love you guys, man. Thank you for following me. It's following this adventure is more the thing of it. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. And hopefully we can get out. We really need to get out. I'm going crazy here. And when we go out again, I'm going to kind of explain why we're going crazy. It's in our blood. It's in our bloodline. And I'll explain that later next time. But for now, we're gone. Thank you for watching it. And, hopefully you'll share it and press the like button and subscribe and whatever you have to do. So anyway, thank you guys. We'll check you out on the next one.